in which regions the gravitational field strength should be directed to the left. So we are given these regions, and between these two planets, between these two masses, and this one. Well, first of all, gravitational field strength is a vector quantity because it has always a direction. And why it's a direction? Because it's a gravitational force per unit mass. So the direction of field strength is same as the direction of the force applied by the planet or mass on another object. So let's take another diagram. From the size, we can conclude that this must be the larger mass because it's a larger in size, and that is smaller in size. So we can say if they're like, if we compare their masses, so capital M is obviously more than small m, so this must have a stronger field around it. So which means that in this region, as you can see, the field of this larger mass will obviously dominate. So we can say that the strength of the capital M should be more than the strength of small m. That's why, and even like both fields have the same direction, that is towards. So we can say the net field strength should be towards right side. So it is not possible, one is not possible. Whereas if you see in a region 2, that is tricky because in the region 2, the direction of field strength close to this object should be towards left. But at some point, both fields, both masses are cancelling out each other's gravitational field. Why? Let me show you with the help of field lines. So when we place the two masses, if they are not of the same mass, so roughly this is the gravitational field between them that shapes like this. Roughly. So we can draw like this. So I would just draw the few lines to give you idea that this is a gravitational field, and all the field lines are towards the masses, relevant masses. So roughly we can say at this point the net gravitational field strength is 0. If you go on the right side, the gravitational field strength is towards right side, but if you go on the left side, it is towards left. So basically we have the both directions. So we cannot say that the 2 is possible because it's not entirely towards left. But what about the region 3? In the region 3, at all the points, the gravitational field strength is towards left, because that in that case the G net is equals to the sum of these two, because both fields are in the same direction. So if they are saying could be towards left, so which means that we do not have any option which have just option 3. So on this basis we can say that it's C.